This is Moneymaker 001. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zazzle's free design tool to create print-on-demand designs, as well as you can download these designs from this platform without any background, and then you can upload those designs to any of the platforms of print-on-demand, whichever you love the most. Okay, so this is going to be really interesting. Keep watching this video till the end. This is going to be a full tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is go to this digital option and you just have to select the size. Okay, so I have already selected the size, but here you can select your custom size. Okay, and this is the size which I recommend, 4500 into 5400, because this is the only size which works with almost all the platforms which are available in the print on demand space. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to consider. Now today I'm going to create a shape based design. Okay, and this is how I create a shape based design. So the first thing I need to do is find some interesting shapes. Okay, so that is the first requirement to make this type of design, at least for me. Okay, so now let's find some interesting shape which I would be happy to use in this. Okay, so now, okay, I would like to go for this one. It seems pretty basic, but still this is the shape which I would love to go for. Okay, now to add something of a little bit difference over here, so this is what I am going to do. See, now you can see it is appearing really a little bit good. Okay, now the thing is that you can go for some elements or icons. Let's go for some icons, not this one. Let's have some different icons that can be used over here. Maybe some animal icon which I would love to use. I think this dog icon looks really amazing, at least for the purpose of this. Okay, let's just place it in the middle. Okay, yeah, it looks really cute and good. Okay, now let's just change the color, blue, or maybe let's make it this color. Yeah, it's looks different, it looks amazing, it looks pretty. Now just changing the color of this line. Let's just change it to brown. No, not brown, maybe purple. Yeah, now you can see one of my design is created. So this is the very simplified process of how you can make shape based design out of this platform. Okay, you don't have to use extreme level of creativity or some genius level of skill. All you need to do is do some mix and match, use your brain and use these simple shapes to make a lot of designs from it. Okay, I have made a lot of designs utilizing this platform just like this one, and I have uploaded all these designs across many of the platforms. And the best thing about this type of designs is that they sell. Okay, and that is the only thing which is the most required for this type of stuff. Okay, so you can also do this. You can also create very simple mix and match designs just by using all the resources which are available on this absolutely for free, and just start creating some designs for any of the platform whichever you love the most, and start making money with your print on demand. Okay, so see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.